so this is just a really quick basic Zara haul. And when I mean basic, I mean like I just bought some basics for the basics section from Zara. I stopped in there. It was getting ready to close. And yeah, I wanted to show you guys what's in the store, the latest and the greatest for the fall or intermittent fall, in between fall and summer here. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm just going to do a quick try on haul. Okay, so this is the outfit that I bought from Zara, and I'm filming in my bathroom because my closet is being renovated. I have all these stuff that goes in my closet on top of my counter, so that side of my husband's side stays nice and clean, and my side can get a little messy. But anyway, so it just has better lighting in here right now. I didn't feel like going in my office or anything like that. But yeah, so this is the outfit here from Zara, and I wanted to show you that it has these two straps. It was the hardest thing to get on. So this top part here honestly feels tight. This part feels too loose. Like I could wear this skirt to work with another top. I definitely can't wear this top to work unless it's like a real high-waisted pant. I don't think I'll even chance it, but it's like really tight here. Not tight, it has room in it, right? You could see it has room, but it's weird because I could have used a small in this skirt and a large in the top area. It's just weird getting separate sometimes. So this is like I only got like 4 pieces, and this is it right here, separate. This top was $25 and the skirt was $27.50, so about $28, and you could round this out to $26, I think. So let me see what it says. Yep, $25.90, so pretty much $26. And I'm gonna just go ahead and tie this up and show you guys. Let's see, let me step back a little bit. And it has a split in the back, so I'm gonna find it online and put it side by side, but this is it here. I need a longer mirror, right guys? I do. Let me see if I can go in my closet. So I moved to my closet a little bit just for a second. Sorry about the mess, excuse it. I gave a disclosure, my closet is under renovation. It is messy. So anyway, okay. So this is how I decided to tie the top. It does come with these little loops, flimsy loops. One of them broke on the other side. I'm not going to go back and exchange it or anything like that because I might end up just taking back the whole outfit. But this is what the outfit is looking like in terms of how I put it on. So this split goes in the back, but I'm going to wear it to the front because I think it's a little bit of sexy. Yes, you know, I still like to be sexy a little bit, and I think this is like a cute brunch date night outfit, and definitely can't wear this to work or anything like that. I don't know if you can see the back, but it is a midi length and it comes in green. I'll show it to you on the website if I can find it. And this is what I'm working with, guys. So this top is a medium. I could have used a large, and the skirt is a medium, and I could have used the small. So yeah, it just all depends. But you know what, because I am trying to lose a little bit of these hips, but for now I'm going to be fully equipped. Anyway, I'm silly, but this is it here. This is what it looks like on. Suck that in, suck it in. And yeah, this is Zara $60 ensemble. Okay, So I also got this I just tried on the black one for you, but I just got these two tops, the black and the white. They had different colors as well, but not my size. And this is a small. This black is a small. I pulled it off. I think with wide leg pants like what I have on. This pants is not from Zara. I got this actually from Ross, believe it or not, on a good day. So check out Ross, guys. Yeah, but I'm just trying on the black one. I'm not going to try on the white one because I don't want to get it dirty. But yeah. So this is how it fits here. It's really fitted. I like it because it's like a basic top, and I thought it stretches down so it's not giving you a lot of midriff. And a lot of pants these days are like high-waisted, so it is a little midi, a little cropped, but it does look good. You could see it here with a pants like this. I'm gonna put it on with a different pants real quick to show you guys, and I'm gonna go in my closet. So I think it's perfect with some wide leg pants like these. So yeah, this is it here. See, so I wanted to try on the white one for you guys, but again, I didn't want to get it dirty. But here's a different color pants. So you could see if you have these elastic pants. I picked this up from, where did I get this from? Marshall's. You could definitely like wear them with other mix and match. I hope you guys enjoyed the Zara store tour and get inspired by some of the fall pieces that they're bringing out.